Have you ever wondered why some people seem to attract success effortlessly while others struggle despite hard work? The secret lies not in luck or intelligence, it's in your subconscious mind. Joseph Murphy's The Treasure House Within You reveals that the power to change your life, attract wealth, health, and happiness is already inside you. In this video, you will learn step-by-step methods to activate your subconscious, overcome limiting beliefs, and start living the life you've always wanted. By the end of this video, you'll have a practical blueprint to reprogram your mind for success, harness inner power for health, wealth, and relationships, replace negative habits with positive, life-changing ones. Before you can use your subconscious mind, you need to understand what it is. Your conscious mind is like a captain of a ship. It makes decisions and gives orders. Your subconscious mind is the crew in the engine room. It doesn't question the orders. It simply executes them. Here's the key. Whatever you tell your subconscious, it believes and acts on without judgment. For example, if you repeatedly say, "I can't afford it," your subconscious ensures scarcity. If you repeatedly affirm, "I am confident and successful," your subconscious begins creating situations that reflect that belief. The subconscious is like a powerful computer. It stores patterns, habits, and beliefs and executes them automatically. Learning to program it correctly is the ultimate life skill. Joseph Murphy emphasizes that belief is the master key. Every thought is a cause, and every experience is the effect. Think about this in practical terms. If you think, "I always get sick in winter," your subconscious follows that command, and you manifest illness. If you think, "I am healthy, energetic, and strong," your subconscious aligns your habits, immune system, and choices to support health. This is why Murphy says, change your thoughts, and you change your destiny. Modern neuroscience supports this. Your brain's neuroplasticity means repeated thoughts literally rewire your neural pathways, shaping behavior and life outcomes. So, the first step in harnessing your subconscious is control your beliefs, not your circumstances. To reprogram your subconscious, you must first identify what's holding you back. Listen to your self-talk. What do you say to yourself repeatedly? Examples: "I'm not good enough. I never have enough money. I always fail." Observe patterns in your life. Are you repeating the same mistakes or attracting similar problems? These are signals from your subconscious programs. Write them down. Journaling is a powerful tool to bring subconscious patterns to conscious awareness. Once you've identified these limiting beliefs, you're ready to replace them with empowering commands. Affirmations are statements that communicate directly with your subconscious, but there's a science to it. Use the present tense, "I am confident," not "I will be confident." Feel the emotion. Your subconscious responds to emotion more than words. Repeat consistently. Repetition creates neural pathways that reprogram your mind. Examples: health. Every cell in my body is vibrant, healthy, and strong. Wealth. Money flows to me easily and abundantly. Confidence. I am capable, focused, and successful in everything I do. Tip: pair affirmations with visualization. Imagine yourself living the reality you desire. The subconscious does not distinguish between real and vividly imagined experiences. It executes both. Visualization is one of the most powerful tools for subconscious programming.
How to practice visualization effectively. Find a quiet space and relax your mind. Picture your goal as vividly as possible. Engage all senses. Imagine the sights, sounds, feelings, and even smells. Feel gratitude as if it has already happened. For example, if you want financial freedom, visualize receiving checks, seeing your bank account grow, feeling the security and joy of abundance. Repeat daily, especially before sleep, when the subconscious is most receptive. Joseph Murphy stresses the power of the mind before sleep. Your subconscious is most open at night, just before you drift off. This is the perfect time for autosuggestion. Close your eyes and calmly repeat affirmations. Visualize your goals. Feel the emotions of already having achieved your goal. Example: tonight, I sleep peacefully. I wake refreshed and energized at 6 a.m. Money and opportunities flow easily to me. Do this nightly for maximum effect. Your subconscious doesn't forget. It executes orders with precision. Negative self-talk sabotages your success. The subconscious treats your words as commands. Steps to replace negativity. Notice when you say something limiting. Immediately cancel it. Cancel, cancel, cancel. Replace with a positive affirmation. Example: negative, I can't afford this. Positive, I am capable of earning and attracting abundance. Over time, your subconscious will stop following old limiting patterns and start executing new, empowering ones. Your subconscious will work more effectively when your conscious actions support your beliefs. If you believe in abundance but act like scarcity, your mind is conflicted. Take small, consistent actions that match your new beliefs. For example, want financial growth? Save, invest, or pursue new opportunities consistently. Want better health? Exercise, eat well, and affirm vitality daily. Action plus subconscious alignment equals rapid transformation. The subconscious works silently, steadily, and without judgment. Changes may not appear instantly, but consistent practice guarantees results. Joseph Murphy reminds us, the subconscious is a faithful servant. Whatever you command it with emotion and repetition, it will perform. Patience and persistence are key. Think of it like planting seeds. Water them daily, and eventually they bloom. Once you master basic affirmations and visualization, you can use advanced techniques. Mental movies. Create a vivid movie in your mind showing your ideal life. Watch it daily. Gratitude programming. Express gratitude as if your desires are already fulfilled. Subconscious questions. Ask your subconscious for guidance, like, show me the right opportunity for financial growth. These methods accelerate results and deepen your connection with your inner treasure house. Here's your step-by-step blueprint to unlock your subconscious. Identify limiting beliefs. Use affirmations daily. Visualize vividly with emotion. Program your mind before sleep. Replace negative self-talk. Align actions with beliefs. Be patient and trust the process. Use advanced techniques for deeper results. By following these steps consistently, you can tap into the infinite power within you and transform every area of your life. Your subconscious mind is a treasure house waiting to be unlocked. The key is simple. Identify your beliefs, command your mind, and align your actions. Start today. Pick one limiting belief and replace it with a positive affirmation. Repeat it daily. Visualize your desired reality and watch your life change. Remember, the power to transform your life lies within you. The question is, are you ready to unlock it?